One of the most common reasons your AC may not be working properly is due to low refrigerant. The AC system is typically a closed system, where the refrigerant levels stay constant, except in the case of a leak. This is why it makes sense to seal any leaks before or as you recharge. AC Pro Super Seal Stop Leak Treatment is designed to seal metal and rubber leaks in your car's AC system.
The AC system is made up of metal components such as evaporators, condensers, compressors, accumulators, and receiver dryers and rubber components like O-rings, gaskets, and hoses.
Over time, wear and tear on the system can lead to leaks in these various metal and rubber components. If the car's AC loses its charge and starts blowing hot air in less than 2 weeks after recharging, the leaks are probably large and parts will likely need to be replaced by a certified technician. However, in cases where the system takes longer than 2 weeks to lose the ability to cool, leaks can likely be sealed with AC Pro Super Seal Stop Leak Treatment.
Here is Super Seal at work, sealing a hole in a metal AC component. As the treatment comes in contact with the outside atmosphere, it solidifies to seal the hole and allow the system to continue to hold pressure. If the hole was too large for Super Seal to fill, the liquid Super Seal would eventually be visible outside the system. The red dye in the formula helps with locating the source of the leak.
Thanks for choosing AC Pro as your experts in car AC systems. Be sure to check out all of our products at acprocold.com.